Welcome to this safety-focused lesson, where we analyze a rule about where heaters for harmful liquids can be placed within boiler systems. We'll visualize the setup and walk step by step through the reasoning to understand why only one option satisfies the standard. Here is a simplified boiler cross-section. We have a large vessel with water occupying the lower region and steam above it. Now, imagine placing a heater directly inside that water or steam space while the heater is meant for harmful liquids. This would expose the boiler's water-steam environment to the hazardous liquid, which the rule forbids. The rule we are checking states, a heater for liquid fuels or other liquids that may be harmful to the boiler shall not be installed directly in the steam or water space within the boiler. This is the standard referenced in the study materials. Now, let's consider the multiple choice answers. We'll show each option and explain if the rule is satisfied. Option A directly contradicts the rule because it places the heater inside the steam or water space, so it is the correct prohibition. Options B, C, and D are unrelated to the rule's wording, so they are not correct answers. Let's make that clear visually. To finalize, we confirm that option A is the best answer because it matches the restriction in the standard. The other options do not talk about where the heater can be installed in relation to the steam or water space, so they are incorrect for this rule.